Happy Father's Day to you.
What's this?
Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day, dear Daddy.
Good stuff.
Happy Father's. They're all good stuff.
Time is summer.
The cute.
Best dad.
Best dad.
Really?
Okay, sleep time.
Oh,
Your favorite.
how about this? What this?
Black bag.
You got a black bag. Ah, black bag.
100 classes.
Black bag. Okay, bye.
Okay, you read your card.
Your card.
You put your medicine here. You put all your medicine there.
Money?
No.
Money,
I
money.
used to get money.
You read
It's
it
upside
first.
down. It's upside
Read
down.
upside down.
Happy Father's Day. I can't read.
Your glasses.
Maarte. For your dad, on Father's Day, apa nagsilang gawin? There are so many things I want to thank you for on Father's Day.
Mm.
For your love and concern,
Mm.
for always wanting the best for me.
Mm.
Love, Dad.
Wow.
No.
From, ano naman, nakalagay ng pangalan mo.
Translate.
For teaching me so many new things.
Mm.
For being there in every way I needed.
Mm.
I am so lucky to call you my dad.
Mm.
Wow.
I would not ask for you anymore else. I love you so much.
Mm.
Ampat.
He's not lucky to have you.